All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the pass-through parameter feature in Link Wizard and all your short links. Okay, so in Link Wizard, we do allow you to pass URL parameters to your short link, and we pass them down to your destination link. So if you don't know what URL parameters are, you're probably not going to care about this. But if you do know what you are, you're going to love this feature. If you don't know what they are, like I said, you may not care about this, but you should, and you should really get familiar with URL parameters and how to use them, specifically UTM parameters, and how helpful that they can be in tracking things and tracking where your traffic comes from, all right? That's why they're there. So I'm going to show you right now this link right here. I'm just going here, and it's actually redirecting me here to Link Wizard. I want you to see that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some URL parameters. Let's say, for example, I add a UTM equals Facebook. And I'm going to go to that link with that URL parameter. And then I want you to see that that URL parameter has actually been passed to my long link. And now my long link has that same UTM parameter, just like my short link. So this is great to help you actually be able to pass dynamic data to your long links as well. If you want to carry through any of those UTM parameters or anything that are coming in on your short links, we'll pass them right through to your long links. So I just want you to remember that we will pass through URL parameters, anything that comes. So that can be really helpful.